Adrenaline, speed, and an endless white expanse beneath your skis. This is the essence of skiing in its purest form, and nowhere will you experience it more intensely than here. In the heart of the Alps, under the iconic, almost mesmerizing pyramid of the Matterhorn, lies a kingdom every skier dreams of. Welcome to the Matterhorn Ski Paradise, a gigantic, international arena with 360 kilometers of pistes that challenge, delight, and remain in memory forever. This is the power and passion of skiing in Switzerland Zermatt Matterhorn. Your skiing adventure begins with an ascent to the highest peaks using technology that is beyond imagination. Step aboard the Matterhorn Glacier Ride, a marvel of engineering that spectacularly lifts you above the glacier from the Trockenesteg station. Choose a crystal ride cabin, and after a moment, its floor will become transparent, revealing an icy abyss beneath your feet. This feeling of levitation with a view of the Matterhorn is an experience that redefines the concept of a skiing adventure. Upon reaching the summit, you enter the station, which is the highest altitude cable car station in Europe, at a staggering 3,883 meters. It is right here, in the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise, that you stand on the rooftop of the skiing world. Snow is absolutely guaranteed here, 365 days a year. Look around. Before you lies a panorama of 4,000 m. peaks. From here, you can begin the legendary, nearly 25-kilometer descent all the way to Valtournenche in Italy, or discover the varied pistes on the Theodule Glacier. This is the scale and freedom that Switzerland Zermatt Matterhorn offers. Discover the three skiing worlds of this resort. Beyond the glacial kingdom of Klein Matterhorn, the sun-drenched Rothorn awaits you. It offers not only perfectly groomed, wide slopes ideal for carving, but above all, in the opinion of many, the most beautiful morning view of the Matterhorn's eastern face, illuminated by the sun. The third dimension is the Gornergrat, which you reach via a historic cogwheel railway. This is an area created for relaxing skiing amidst monumental, icy giants, with the Monte Rosa Massif at the forefront. Every turn is a postcard you will never forget. And that is not the end of the possibilities. Zermatt seamlessly connects with its Italian sister, Cervinia. Crossing the border on skis at the Theodule Pass opens up a completely different world. Cervinia is the kingdom of the sun. Its southern slopes guarantee more light, and its runs are incredibly wide and long, perfect for calm, relaxing carving. It is the essence of the Italian La Dolce Vita on the slopes, with fantastic cuisine in the mountain huts and a view of the mountain's southern face, known here as Monte Cervino. The combination of Zermatt's Swiss precision and Alpine power with Cervinia's Italian sun and freedom creates a unique ski resort, offering experiences you will not find anywhere else in the world. After a full day of excitement, as you ski the last run down to Zermatt and unclip your skis, you step into another world. A world of silence, pure air, and the authentic Alpine charm of a car-free village. But it is not just the charm that determines the uniqueness of this place. It is the awareness that you are skiing in the shadow of a mountain that holds one of the most dramatic histories in all of mountaineering. Before Zermatt became a mecca for skiers, it was the stage for a heroic and tragic struggle for the history of the Matterhorn. For years, the mountain was considered unconquerable. In July of 1865, a true race unfolded here. A determined British climber, Edward Whymper, after many failed attempts from the Italian side, decided to attack the unclimbed, terrifying Hornley Ridge from the Zermatt side. At the same time, his rival, Jean-Antoine Carrel, was leading an Italian expedition from the south. On the 14th of July, 1865, Whymper's 7-man team achieved the impossible. They were the first to stand on the summit. The triumph was immense. However, tragedy struck during the descent. The least experienced member of the expedition, Douglas Haddo, slipped, pulling guide Michel Croz, Charles Hudson, and Lord Francis Douglas with him into the abyss. The rope snapped, saving Whymper and the two Swiss guides, Peter Taugwalder, father and son. This story, full of triumph and death, shook Victorian England, but at the same time etched the Matterhorn into the annals of history forever and made Zermatt a legendary place. Today, every skier gliding down the slopes of Zermatt is a part of this story. Every descent on a piste with a view of the Hornley Ridge is a symbolic tribute to the courage of the first pioneers. You see this mountain not just as a beautiful element of the landscape, but as an arena of human drama and great ambition. It is this historical depth that gives skiing here a completely different dimension. This is precisely what makes this place the best in the world. It is not just the 360 kilometers of pistes, the guaranteed snow, and the modern lifts. It is the combination of world-class skiing with an authentic village and, above all, with the potent, magnetic presence of a mountain with an extraordinary history. You are skiing in the heart of a legend. This is the essence of Switzerland Zermatt Matterhorn.
Over there, bottom of that curve.